Another day, another story. Unlocking financial success. Mastering investments for beginners with insider secrets. Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Get ready to unlock the secrets of financial success with our viral video, Unlocking Financial Success. Mastering investments for beginners with insider secrets. I'm Alec, your guide to navigating the world of investments and making your money work for you. Welcome to Financial Success Secrets, where we dive deep into the world of finance and reveal insider secrets that can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, we're focusing on investments for beginners, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and supercharge your wealth-building journey. You might be wondering, what separates successful investors from the rest? Well, it's all about understanding the CEO mindset and leveraging insider knowledge. CEOs are often privy to valuable insights about industry trends, upcoming innovations, and strategic moves that can impact stock prices. In this video, we'll uncover how you can tap into this CEO mindset and gain a competitive edge in your investment decisions. We'll start by exploring the metrics that drive algorithmic success. The YouTube algorithm favors content that is engaging, informative, and tailored to the viewer's interests. We've meticulously crafted this video to deliver exactly what the algorithm loves, ensuring it reaches a wider audience and becomes your go-to resource for investment guidance. But that's not all. We'll delve into the exciting world of financial metrics that CEOs use to assess investment opportunities. We'll demystify terms like P/E ratio, ROE, and EPS, and show you how to analyze them like a seasoned pro. By understanding these metrics, you'll be able to identify undervalued stocks and make smart investment decisions that have the potential to deliver substantial returns. Our video duration is optimized to keep you engaged while providing comprehensive insights. In just under 5 minutes, we'll cover everything from setting financial goals to diversification strategies and risk management techniques. This condensed format ensures that you receive the maximum value in the shortest amount of time, making it perfect for today's fast-paced world. Additionally, we'll reveal some lesser-known investment opportunities that are backed by insider knowledge. We'll explore emerging industries, disruptive technologies, and overlooked sectors that have the potential for explosive growth. By staying ahead of the curve and uncovering hidden gems, you'll position yourself for significant financial gains. Throughout the video, we'll tap into our deep understanding of the investment landscape to provide you with actionable tips and real-world examples. We'll share success stories of investors who started from scratch and built impressive portfolios, giving you the inspiration and motivation to embark on your own investment journey. But wait, there's more. We'll also touch on the importance of mindset and self-belief in the world of investing. Successful investors possess a mindset of abundance, confidence, and perseverance. We'll share techniques to overcome common investment fears and empower you to take calculated risks that can lead to substantial rewards. So, get ready to unlock the doors to financial success as we delve into the world of investments with insider secrets, CEO mindset, and algorithmic optimization. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to make strategic investment decisions and embark on your path to financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future releases. Join our community of ambitious investors and together, let's unlock financial success. Remember, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Get ready to watch Unlocking Financial Success. Mastering investments for beginners with insider secrets. Thanks for watching.